I've done lots of searching for ways that I can learn more about what a career in finance entails, and that sort of brought me to Talaria. And I saw the workshop and I was like, wow, I haven't heard of this being done very much. I thought it was an amazing opportunity.
By gaining a more realistic or more in practice view of finance, like being in the environment where it's practiced, you can gain so much just from the exposure to it.
I did maths, thought I wanted to be a maths teacher. When I finished my degree, I started doing corporate training for a firm of chartered accountants, and that exposed me to sort of the accounting, finance, investment kind of area. So then I went back and did part-time study in finance and economics, and then sort of moved my way to a different kind of area that was doing performance reporting for one of a big superannuation firm. If you keep doing something that you like and you're interested in, you'll kind of navigate to where it is.
You've got to be intellectually curious. You've got to have a track record of good academics. So all those things, right? Take those as read. You've got to have those as the starting point. I think increasingly people want a little bit of, show me how you're different.
I've loved the examples that we used throughout the workshop. I've loved talking to different people who work here at Talaria.
It taught me that it's good to be different. It's good to have different sort of ideas and views and different educational backgrounds, because people value that, and they value that sort of difference in opinion and outlook.